working in the city of Norwalk, California. GNS Junk Removal. We offer commercial and residential services. Anything that needs to be removed, hauled away, we are your crew for the job. We are licensed and insured. Visit our website at www.gnsjunkremoval.com. Find us on social media at GNS Junk Removal. So we're doing a small demolition of concrete and hauling for a customer in the city of Norwalk. Roughly about 600 to 700 square feet of concrete. We're almost done with the job. Got a hard-working crew in the back. Concrete has been broken down, demoed. We gotta do is haul it away. A lot of small debris. Anyway, if you need any of our services, feel free to visit our website at www.gnsjunkremoval.com or give us a call at 626-217-0083. We are licensed, we are insured, small jobs, big jobs. We are your crew for the job. We're definitely here to help. Anything from construction debris, property cleanouts, demo, appliance removal, furniture removal, eviction, cleanup, and we do offer dumpster rental at your service. Once again, Junk Removal, powered by GNS.